Hello, this is a brief introduction to a remarkable, enterprising organization called FNAN. How it all began is a story for another time. It is sufficient to say for now, FNAN was founded on a chance meeting of two remarkable Eritrean women on an internet TV show in April this year, April the 7th to be precise. After exchanging the usual pleasantries, like all Eritreans do, the topic turned into the plight of youth and families, and what they can do about it. On that day they resolved themselves to do something about it. They summoned other two individuals who share the same concern. Together they came with the name FNAN, which means resilience in Tigrinya. FNAN is founded on aspirations of building Eritrean resilience. It is quite important at this stage to explain what FNAN holds when it proclaims building Eritrean resilience. FNAN has a very effective and enthusiastic team of thinkers, linguists and graphic designers, for all intent and purpose, an in-house publications department to research and advance the goal of building Eritrean resilience in a way that is simple and powerful and in a timely fashion. Here are some samples. I am here to narrate a story, a very remarkable story, the story of FNAN. At the marking of its first 100 days, in a short span of time, FNAN has charted its clear strategy, put in place its operations frameworks. Its branding is very visible, its website and social media contents are appealing and responsive, it has a team of copywriters to publish and maintain its sizable knowledge base for the public. Its application of digital technology and stewardship of clients' data is typical of a resilient organization and unique in the charity sphere. It was launched on the 29th of June 2019 to a much public acclaim and celebrated by hundreds of people in London. Already, at the making of this video, FNAN has about 30 highly committed mentors and counselors in its book, and this number is growing. It has supporters mainly in the UK, Europe and across the globe, as far as Bangalore in India. Not only from Eritreans, but also from other nationalities. At the marking of its 100 days, FNAN has assembled a sizable number of volunteers, including mental health professionals, medical doctors, engineers and lawyers. It has already prepared most of the required guideline and training materials for its mentoring platform. This platform is designed to assist Eritrean compatriots on life skills, education and to advance career prospects in the UK economy, and in doing so pave the way for them to integrate into the UK and to be a productive part of society at large. The science of resilience is so amazing, so much so, it has made FNAN's founders to be inspired and be animated by it. They invite you to join them on this journey, to express your creativity, to shape and direct the trajectory of this audacious and fast-growing social enterprise called FNAN. You are only required to commit few hours of your spare time. FNAN's modus operandi is aimed at small positive actions from many people, rather than big ones from a few. So join FNAN to make a difference to the life of Eritrean youth and families everywhere. FNAN has made it easy for you to make a donation for its noble cause. Simply visit its website. It also allows you to donate anonymously. Thank you. As a postscript to this, I would like to say one more thing. It is worth for me to say a bit about FNAN's PR operations. As you can notice, I am part and parcel of it. FNAN's public relations strategy has two important ingredients. First, to make its presence felt in the Eritrean community, to sign up volunteers and be able to reach the youth and families who need its services. The second part of this strategy is to raise funds for its services. This PR strategy is bearing very encouraging results. FNAN's PR operations are engaging and responsive. To establish FNAN's brand awareness fast, its founders thought hard, and it occurred to them what better way to engaging the public than to create a mascot character, yes, an Eritrean mascot called Little FNAN.
I am FNAN, Little FNAN. When this video is released, I was just 1 week old. I started emailing few of you when I was just 2 days old. I've made a lot of friends. Thank you for the good reception. Let me try some Tigrinya. Someone has written a little poem about me. Let me read it. For someone who has never spoken it before, Tigrinya is not easy, and it does require resilience. I say, no problem, Tsegam Yellen.
Flemmer, FNAN Ebert, Miss, Eritrean Ebert, Kabta, Ertrawit, Felisa, Abse, Weradat, Enhalat, Ab, Internet.
Thank you, little Benin. What a great recital, and thank you our audience for making it this far in our presentation. It means a great deal to us at Benin that you have given us your full attention. I will give you little Benin in a moment to give you her news coverage about the launch events. Before that, we want to give you a moment of reflection on Benin, the organization, what it is all about, its purpose. Thank you.